Hey, what's up everybody? Jessica here from Debru, and I am going to be hiding behind my computer today, but I do want to talk to you about something important, which is how to make your deposits so you can start your campaigns on PropellerAds. So let's talk about some things that I wanted to point out. Let's get started. So I've gone ahead and created a brand new account to do this demonstration for you guys. And as you can see here, I've navigated to the area where I can add funds. You can get here by choosing Add Funds in the menu option on the left, or you can click the balance at the top. So if you're a brand new member, the first thing you'll have to do is verify your phone number. So then I will just have to enter my phone number, and I would have to receive a code so that I can verify my account so that they can make sure that I am actually the owner of this account. So I'm literally waiting for the text now, so let me verify. Okay, great. So now that I'm verified, you can choose your selected payment method that you would like to use. So there are going to be different fees, different terms and conditions associated with them. You would fill in the amount, and you have to start at a minimum of 100. And so for right now, I'm just going to put in 100, so it lets me go to the next step of this tutorial. And then we would have to read the terms and conditions, which is important because they talk about information regarding refunds. So one thing I wanted to point out about refunds for you guys is if you're going to request a refund, there are certain conditions for it. So they are only going to acknowledge a refund if it's your first request. If you make a second deposit and proceed to run campaigns, then they will not honor it for a full refund, but instead you'll be hit with a minimum request for the refund amount and then a 10% fee. So you can't just, so if it's the first time around, you can go in and request a refund for the entire balance. But if it's the second time around where you have started campaigns and you made a second deposit, then you have to request up to $200 as your minimum, and you'll be hit with a fee. So they state that the refund may be credited back to the same method of payment and the same account that was used. It takes them 5 business days to process their refunds, and you have to request your refund and submit the ticket linked to the email address that's set up for your account. So if you run into any issues where right here is kind of where you would kind of ask for refunds, so that would be for non-compliance of the advertising materials, where if you guys are just hella aggressive and can't get a hint that you're going too hard, and then also quality and content creative, if for any reason those are not approved and you're not able to spend any money to get your campaigns going, you can ask for your money back. So that's that. So they want you to make sure that you read your terms and conditions. So you got to click that off to get through to the next step. And then they want to make sure that you agree to the cardholder agreements, which you'll have to read over for yourself, and then you click that. So the one thing that I like is going to be, I like how they have the final amount here, so you can't really dispute what amount you're requesting to pay for. And I like how they have the service fees right here. There are occasions where you make a deposit and the actual amount that you wanted to have in your account is not what reflects, and that is because there are service fees. Sometimes those service fees are not vocalized up front. For example, I just made a deposit on another traffic source, Rich Push. Their service fee is about $2. But I wasn't aware of that until the deposit hit my account. So I like that they are transparent right here on the payment screen. If you're going to use a bank card, you can go in with 1,000. If I'm not mistaken, PayPal. So this is going to be only available by request. So you're going to have to contact support. If you are going to use PayPal, there is going to be a 3 to 4% service charge. As far as wire transfer, you have immediate access to that, but the minimum is $1,000. They have this Skrill is another payment processing feature like PayPal that you have immediate access to, and they can already filter in your your service fee. And then as far as e-payments, they have already factored in the service fee for them. So the only one that you don't have direct access starting off is going to be PayPal, which for me personally, you may not even want to use it. Like, I don't like PayPal's terms and conditions when it comes to banker and consumer advocacy and safety. So you may want to go with your normal bank card or try out whoever these Skrill and e-payments corporations are. But give Propeller ads. So if it's PayPal, it's like an instant deposit. Sometimes, like, we literally go in here and just say, hey, we're ready to run some more tests. We're running low. A refresh and the money is like right there on our campaigns that we use for Devereaux. So that's one of the benefits of doing PayPal, is the deposit is actually instant. That's the only thing that I can think of off the top of my head. So remember, $100 to get started, which is probably good enough maybe to run one thorough testing campaign. With our training, we can probably get you to about 1,000 clicks off of about $30. If you use the strategy and the logic that we implement for our campaigns to try to maximize the accurate data that we receive for the lowest cost possible. And we utilize that through the 3-day rule. And then we try to apply our scaling techniques in order to maximize our ROI. So getting started with $100 is a good starting point, but we don't recommend it. We recommend starting at anywhere from $250 to $500. So that you can get a good amount of time, or like a good life cycle in your campaign is what I'm trying to say.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.